Hello friends, welcome back to another video of the Basic Calligraphy course series. This is Basic Calligraphy course day 3. In my last video, I told you about the 4 guidelines on which we need to practice our basic strokes. So what exactly are the basic strokes? Before we proceed to that, let me remind you that in one of my videos, I told you that to learn calligraphy, you don't have to have beautiful handwriting. Why? Because calligraphy doesn't have anything to do with your handwriting. If your handwriting is pretty bad, don't worry at all. Because in calligraphy, handwriting doesn't matter at all. Let me show you something. Here is the word birthday. You can point out clearly which one is my handwriting and which is calligraphy. Yes, the first one is my handwriting and the second one is calligraphy. You can also notice that there's nothing common in my handwriting and calligraphy except my angle. I write at slanted angle, so my calligraphy is also slanted. Anyways, the question is, how come that your handwriting has nothing to do with calligraphy? The answer is basic strokes. There are 8 basic strokes that you use to make a letter. And then by joining those letters, you make a word. Yes, you don't write letters in calligraphy. Rather, you make letters by joining basic strokes. Here are the 8 basic strokes. Upstroke, downstroke, overturn, underturn, oval, compound curve, ascending loop, and descending loop. To write a word in modern calligraphy, you need to practice these strokes at your angle. How to practice? That you'll find out in next video. Until then, take care and stay tuned. If you're new to my channel and you find my videos interesting, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. See you soon.